What's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex here from Royal Street Krew. Filming this intro a bit late because we did forget to film one. Don't want to leave you hanging because this video is absolutely insane. We did clean the rigs really well. Shout out to Roy from Cutting Edge Chemicals. I'll drop his Instagram in the top of the description. But yeah, let the cinematics roll. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Remember, this has been Alex here from Royal Street Krew.
Alright, so we just chucked on some Bodie boys, wheelie clean
as well, to complement Roy's products.
Yeah.
Just to get those wheels nice and clean.
Well, it's got the iron remover too, so it's going to turn purple in a minute. We'll show you.
And we're going to use Roy's brushes.
It's already starting to do it.
Yeah, we're gonna use Roy's brushes to eliminate the rest of the grime and dirt in there. We're going to the other side.
Oh, the wind is not going to be good for Mike.
Yeah,
I just noticed. Oh, that's already purple.
Oh shit.
No, the setup. So, we've already just rinsed over the cars. Alex rinsed over his. He's got the chest piece on. The cinematics are going to look lit. And, yeah, we're just going to get going. So, my car's going to be pretty easy to wash because it's clean. Somewhat clean. It's just got dust on it, pretty much. Other than that, Alex's will be the real test. CEC test. Easy. Behind the scenes shots, let's go. Right, out of 10, Alex, how's CEC?
Look, CEC is looking really good at the moment. It's managed to clean all the bugs, everything off.
Let's have a look at your back bar.
It was
minimal effort.
Absolutely filthy before.
Oh, there's a bit of behind the scenes here, cinematics.
Absolutely filthy before, but really happy with the results, you know. Roy's done a really good job with his company.
Oh, look! It's squeaky clean. Yeah, it's done a really good job. So, to complement it, I brought my Mcguire's ceramic wax and this bad boy here, and we're going to use this to just finish over the outside to give it a bit of protection, and then we're going to use the other products for the interior.
Cara, you getting their mats really clean? Getting their mats clean? I just love these cars. They're absolutely beautiful, especially now the Fiesta balls with the new wheels on it. Surprised my girlfriend with them the other day. Look absolutely mean. Yes, the car looks like a monster truck, Brandon.
What?
You know anything about monster trucks?
Think about what?
I said, do you know anything about monster trucks? There's one just over there, there's one just here. Do you know anything about that, or?
We should do a competition, who's taller?
Who is taller? I'm thinking the Fiesta's going to win this one. We ordered some 45mm lowering springs, eye-batch kit, or eye-back, however you say it, for the Fiesta, so that's going to be slammed. Then we're doing some trims, gloss black around the vehicle, and this car is also getting wrapped soon, so that's another video to look forward to. I did put some rotor races on it, 4x100, they're 17 by 7.5 plus 38, so they fit really well with the guard. They're almost pretty flush. So she's got some hot boy fitment now. Obviously you would have seen in that video, but yeah, so the rigs are all clean. The Fiesta, my car, and the the B double.
I haven't done the stage 1 plus tune. Well, like I've done it, but I haven't done it.
Yeah, you
if
haven't.
that makes sense.
Yeah, you haven't.
I haven't boosted it yet.
You've loaded it, you just haven't
I've loaded
tested
it. It's on the car running right now. It's just not.
Insert access port here.
Now we're gonna try
The glass cleaner.
Go away, bro. Is that a Skeeto?
Oh, bro!
It's a Skeeto!
Bro! What are we gonna give a shot?
Clarity.
Clarity?
Glass cleaner. I'm gonna get you doing it because you love your glass cleaners. I want to do the plastic trim because see this, because you've already got glossy trim. I actually have external plastic trim still, and it's meant to like vitalize that to look schmick. So I'm gonna use the, I think it's called Revitalizer or something like that, for the plastic trim. And I'm gonna get Alex doing the clarity on the windows. So we're gonna get Alex using
Clarity.
you can see. You can kind of see. Focus. There we go. You can kind of see that it's a
bit streaky.
dirty.
But we can see on here. What
And
are
we're
we
using
using?
some.
Next generation in car care. Clarity.
Wait, there we go.
Okay, for using this, we're just going to give you a little bit of a rundown. It does say spray 2 to 3 sprays on a clean cloth or cutting edge chemical glass cleaning cloth. So
Edgeless too.
Yep.
Edgeless boy.
That's prime.
Prime it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. And then wipe up to down or left to right motion.
And then
Across the glass.
buff off, correct? Beast. Oh my god.
And
I know you
glass,
love your glass cleaners,
the
but
glass
god damn.
is naked. That's naked, baby.
It smells
That
amazing.
is design. That is absolutely.
Imagine when there's a banner right here.
That is
That's clean.
yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to give them a cleanie of more of that clarity. And then, I'm going to use the, what's the other one? Radiance. I'm going to use Radiance.
This is a plastic and trim revitalizer, so we're going to get that on the back now.
Can be for external use too, as I was saying, for the back of the cars. What's the other white brand you always use? Auto
Glim. Yeah, Auto Glim.
That's the one. Auto Glim is the
was hard
cleaner.
Yeah. Hard to beat, but guess what? I have a feeling this one's going to win it over.
Yep.
Alright, so this, again, Radiance plastic and trim cleaner. That's on the back of the bottle here. Spray 1 to 3 squirts onto the clean side of the microfiber, and then lightly wipe any plastic, vinyl or rubber surfaces from left to right, and we'll get a quick demo of that now. So you want to prime that quickly?
So what is it? 1 to 3.
Yeah, 1 to 3 squirts.
Whoa, that was a long spray. Wow.
Wow.
Right. 1, 2,
3.
It's like automatic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, let's get this trim here. Oh, that looks like it's cleaning it up real nice, man. That's revitalizing. Your trims are looking clean. Over here is definitely going to be the
It just looks good, and
over
it's
here it's
protectant
real
too.
dirty. Yeah.
Might add some more because it's gone into the towel.
Another 2 to 3. Yep. Ooh.
Now it's a wet boy.
It's all dirty there, and bang, trim's revitalized. Overall thoughts about the product there?
I love it. This is good.
Yeah.
Oh, it like looks new. Like the plastic's new.
Yeah. These products are just really top-notch quality. Like, he's really put a lot of time and
shout out to Roy again.
Yeah, shout out to Roy from Cutting Edge. Even the bottles, the detail in the bottles.
Oh, the bottles are
awesome.
sick.
The sprayers are really good quality sprayers.
Look at that, dude.
Very
so good.
So good. How good? How good?
So good.
Okay. Ba-da-bam. What are we doing? Drying the wheelie, boys.
Just cleaning the wheelie, boys.
Cleaning the wheels. Oh.
I don't need that right now. I can't even show it on your new ones. You haven't done anything to them.
Insert sad boy emoji here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's a good shirt.
It is good. Purple.
Wow. Who are those guys? You should check them out.
Subscribe right here.
Right here. Ding. Turn notifications on. Right here.
Right here.
Alright, all 3 rigs are clean, so I think that's just going to be about do that for this video. So
Hundo.
we'll get both the shit. Alright, so honest opinions about the product. Really good products, easy to use, really top-notch quality sprayer bottles as well. Makes it easy to prime and spray. Glass cleaner is one of my favourite products. Made my glass naked, which you've seen just
100%
before.
I'm saying the Radiant.
Yeah, the Radiance, the trim.
I love that
trim
trim
revitalizer.
Interior.
Absolutely perfect. And the tyres.
Oh, the endurance gel.
Yeah, the endurance gel.
Damn.
Damn, that's slick. That's a semi-slick, and that's semi-slick. Alright, so that'll be all for this video, guys. Hope you really enjoyed all the time and effort we put into detailing the rigs, because, you know,
yeah, we noticed as well, most of you guys aren't subscribed, so hit the subscribe, help the locals out.
Right here, where?
Boys,
Here.
right here.
Yep. Ding! Yeah, so press that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and all that, leave all your support, and seeing heaps of you guys leaving us DMs on Instagram and stuff, keen to meet us.
Instagram blowing up. Make sure you follow it though, make sure you follow it.
Follow the Instagram, just here.
Right here.
Ding! Anyway, guys, as I was saying before, that's the end of the video. Until the next one, make sure you stay tuned on all social medias. But until then, remember,
RSK's family,
spread the word.
What can I use for my interior?
Oh, lucky you
Radiant.
say. Radiant.
This one?
This is the one. Plastics and Trim Revitalizer.
Thank you.